Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Smoky Mountain Edition. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, body color 3-piece hardtop, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, navigation, ALPINE 9-speaker premium audio system, command track shift on the fly part-time 4-wheel drive, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6298A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.